Elegance isn't about how much money you spend. It's about how you carry yourself, how you style your outfits, and the small details that make all the difference. But let's be honest. Social media has made it seem like looking classy means spending thousands on designer pieces. That's not true. In this video, I'm going to break down the secrets to looking elegant on a budget without sacrificing style, quality, or confidence. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll have all the tools to look expensive, no matter your budget. And if you're tired of fast fashion trends that make you spend more and more every season, this is the video for you. Let's get into it. 1. The psychology of elegance. First, let's talk about what makes a person look elegant. Is it just the clothes? No, elegance is perception. When we see someone and think, wow, they look expensive, it's because they embody certain psychological triggers: confidence, simplicity, and refinement. These are things that money can't buy. And that's exactly why you don't need a huge budget to achieve it. Confidence, the way you walk, stand, and carry yourself, plays a huge role in how expensive you appear. A confident posture instantly elevates your look. Minimalism and refinement. True, elegance isn't about wearing the flashiest brands, it's about looking put together. Simplicity is the key. Well-fitted clothes in neutral or muted colors always look chic. Attention to detail. Think about the little things: neat nails, fresh-smelling perfume, or well-kept hairstyle. These small factors make a big difference in how people perceive you. An elegant outfit always wins. 2. The capsule wardrobe. Building an elegant closet on a budget. Now that we understand the mindset of elegance, let's build the foundation of a stylish wardrobe without overspending. The secret: a capsule wardrobe. You need timeless, versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched effortlessly. Here's where to start. The classic white button-up works for casual, work, and evening looks. Tailored trousers or a midi skirt makes any outfit look instantly refined. A quality blazer. A structured blazer elevates everything from jeans to dresses. Elegant accessories. A structured handbag, gold jewelry, and simple pumps complete the look. Invest in quality over quantity. You don't need 50 trendy tops that go out of style in a month. Instead, invest in quality pieces that stand the test of time. 3. Shopping smart. Where to find affordable elegant pieces. You might be thinking, this all sounds great, but where do I find these pieces without spending a fortune? Here are my best kept secrets. Thrift and vintage shops. Second-hand stores are gold mines for timeless, high-quality pieces at a fraction of the price. Look for wool coats, silk blouses, and structured handbags. High street brands with luxe vibes. Stores like Mango, Massimo Dutti, Uniqlo, and even Zara offer elegant pieces at mid-range prices. Invest in key pieces gradually. Don't feel pressured to buy everything at once. Build your wardrobe strategically, one quality piece at a time. Elegance is a journey, not a one-time purchase. 4. The power of grooming and poise. You can have the perfect outfit, but if your grooming isn't on point, the elegance fades. The wealthiest, most stylish women always have one thing in common: attention to self-care. Well-maintained nails. You don't need expensive salon manicures. A simple, clean manicure in nude or red looks sophisticated. Effortless hairstyles. A sleek bun, soft waves, or a simple blowout looks polished. Subtle makeup. Think clean girl aesthetic: glowy skin, defined brows, and a soft lip color. These small changes make all the difference. Looking elegant is about how you present yourself, not just what you wear. 5. Behaviors and mindset. Carrying yourself elegantly. This is the final and most important step: your mindset and behavior. Because elegance is not just about clothes, it's about your entire presence. Speak with confidence, articulate your words clearly, and don't rush your speech. Move with grace. Avoid fidgeting, slouching, or rushed movements. Be polite and composed. True elegance is in how you treat others. Being kind, poised, and calm makes you stand out. Elegance is when the inside is as beautiful as the outside. Coco Chanel. And there you have it. The secrets to looking classy and elegant without breaking the bank. Elegance is not about labels. It's about confidence, refinement, and the way you present yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what's your go-to tip for looking elegant on a budget. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Subscribe for more timeless fashion and elegance tips.